we didn't just come. Actually, the party was at our house next door. So we just got done with the party, and we have to go to Walmart to get some food. And
thank you guys if you watch.
Thank you. I have no idea what you're talking about.
I think only her.
Oh yes! Shout out to Cameron. It's her birthday. Birthday party. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Anyway,
if Cameron watches
she will. Her brother watches it.
Really?
this.
Yeah. He's like, you guys got 6,000 something subscribers.
Wait.
Kilo wants to spend some money. Oh yeah, I'm repping my Melisandre shirt today. People be like, I wonder if they see this and they see me, like, that's me. Do people know,
That's
like,
awesome,
that's
They're like, yo, you can tell that girl is like something hot because her shirt matches her. Like that's her and her shirt. That shirt is hot. You can tell, like, I think she's famous or something.
Shout out to Sabrina. Guys, I could still get you one of these shirts if you let me know, because I still have pull with the merch lady.
Sure.
Shout out to Sabrina.
I know. How
Morris,
come we never
think.
see? I think the problem is we never want to like ask people for money. Like, I don't know. Like, do you feel like that?
I promoted it
Like,
when
it's
we
hard
first
to
started it, but then I didn't really talk about it much. So I figured, I'll let it go for a little bit, and then I'll message her in the future and see if we can do it again. So, but anyway, she could still get you one of these shirts if you want it.
Okay.
I cut the top off mine because I
Get your Melisandre shirt, customize it.
I got it that Melisandre style, off the shoulder look.
I'm excited.
Today is family day, and all you guys out there know exactly what I'm talking about. You work hard, and you know your family is doing good. And
Yes, we're still in the same car because unfortunately we have not made appointments and went and looked at new cars, but we do have the money to get a new car.
I get it. I know I'm dragging, guys. I'm sorry.
You really are. Well,
You need
it's
to get
because
one
you're
before
working a lot.
winter. I
And
know.
it's because you're working. And it's like, I could look at cars, but I can't really make an appointment to go see a car.
No, just gotta give me numbers, and that way we can just call them. Like, hey,
You can call them, but then how are we going to go see it? You're working until late.
figure something out.
Saturday.
You know
Next
what I could
Saturday
always
or
do?
something.
I could just have my
I
dad
want a
come down.
Mazda 5, guys. That's what it is, right?
Yeah.
Mazda 5, and it has like six seats in it, but it's a smaller car. I really think that like the exterior
Wait, really? We're gonna have a smaller car?
is not well made. Like, I feel like if you crash, but I never crashed my cars.
I don't know. I know.
Just once. I got into a fender bender at the gas station because I couldn't see a car in my blind spot. But that's about it. I never, oh, I'm lying. We were on the highway going to Buffalo. Oh yeah, remember that?
That was a big one.
That was a big one. What car were we in? My grandfather's car.
I think so.
The one that my
Right.
grandfather had given me.
Yeah.
And it was me.
Oh, sorry.
We were going to see Unique. It was me, Kilo, Lalo, and Tony, right?
Yep.
Where's
Yeah.
Angie?
Angie wasn't born yet.
Angie wasn't born yet. It's the time before Angie. Ain't that crazy?
Yep. And we were driving, and there was traffic going to Buffalo.
No, it was
And I
on
had
the
a
way back.
coffee.
It was on the way back. We had just finished dropping off.
Unique.
Yeah.
Well,
And we were heading back. And go ahead.
yeah. Okay, so we were heading back, and yeah, it was stop and go traffic, and I
This,
was on the brake.
just to add, this is like pre-anxiety of driving, everything. Like it wasn't like that
Pre-anxiety
before.
days, yes.
She was driving.
When I was just able to drive anywhere and everywhere I wanted to go, okay? If I wanted to go drive to the city, I would drive in the city. Remember when I
Oh,
drove in
yep.
Little China?
Exactly.
When Kilo didn't have his license?
That's nerve-wracking. Yep.
Yeah.
What were we down there
I
for?
used to
Oh,
be
to get my
able
birth
to do so much.
certificate, right?
Anyway, yeah,
Go
to get
ahead.
your birth certificate.
Yep.
So it's stop and go traffic, and I had my foot on the brake, and I dropped my coffee. My hot coffee spilled everywhere. I, for some reason, let my foot off the brake, thinking I had to move, and I don't know, I crashed the car in front of me, and the airbag went out, and Lalo thought, was it Lalo or Tony? I think Lalo was like 2. Anyway, we thought there was a fire in the car. The person in front they didn't even get no damage. It was a truck.
They didn't even care.
And it just so happened that the truck hit the sensor for my airbag just perfectly. Kilo's head went straight into the windshield.
Because how I saw it was, so it's like she said, it was stop and go. We were almost near the toll booths. So you know how it is, there's a lot of cars, so we're going. And like she said, she hit the brake, all of a sudden, the coffee slides out. And it looked like, in my perspective, that she was trying to save the coffee. And it kind of like distracted her. So as she went to turn,
let off of the brake.
Yeah, as she went to go turn to catch the coffee, she hits the front of the car. Boom! The guys didn't care. They were in a big truck, and like they just looked at their thing. It was like, we're good. But me, I'm all bleeding.
Yep.
When she hit the brake, my head hit the windshield so hard, I think it cracked and everything.
It did.
We waited for the police and everything, thinking that was the right thing to do.
Yep. Well,
the other guy left, and I'm like, man, I thought we were supposed to like exchange like. It was like, you know, I was saying, like, I feel like, wasn't that like our...
When you crash and you hit the windshield and your airbags go out, you have to wait for somebody.
Well, that's what you think, yeah, but apparently when a cop came here, I'm like, you know, what do we do? Wasn't the cop kind of like a butthead?
I don't remember, but what did we do? What did we do with the airbag? The airbag was popped out.
Just pushed it back down.
Anyway, that was the story.
What happens when the airbag goes out, you have to get it restuffed.
Yeah, we had to do that. Yeah. All right, guys, well, that was the story. Little story time. But oh, sorry, I forgot what I was saying though.
That was the story. But
go that way. Oh, you have an animal. That's cute.
Thank you. Gotta rewind it.
I like my little
Right?
Oh, that's what I was talking about. When I got into a car, that was the only time I got into a car accident. That's what I was talking about, babe.
That's what it was, yeah.
Can I split this up? Because
Yeah,
I've
of
been
course
with
you
this
can.
an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
But not like so like in front of
All right, so I'll see you when we get home.
Sorry.
Because I'm not vlogging with this camera inside the store, I can tell you that. Maybe I will, I don't know. All right. Because we have no coffee again. I'll get this one. Punk. Ya punk. Hi.
Listen, is that you?
It's me.
Oh my God, how
Haven't seen you in a long time.
Forever. Just struggling, single dad with a daughter, half unicorn. Really hard times.
Unicorn.
Yep, my daughter. So how are you doing? How are you and your husband?
Can you shut up? I'm trying to focus.
Wow, that's rude.
I can't role play right now. I have to.
1,000 islands? Oh. No, this is
Yeah. Why would you do that? You do that to me all the time.
the cheese.
$4? You spent
Look at that. Can we get
$4?
this?
Kid, it's the G, it's the GOAT. Every day. It's because my spine, you know, we start shrinking as we get certain age.
Yes, mommy.
Gravity.
Yes.
Tacos? Like this?
They were soft.
I thought you said they're like tacos.
So they're tacos. Taco stuff.
Do you cut it like a pizza? Okay, sorry, go ahead.
But there's taco stuff in the middle.
Oh, one on top, one on the bottom.
Yeah, it's like a sandwich.
Okay, and it has ground beef in it?
Has
Beans, yeah, what else? What else? Tell me.
Has beef, beans, potatoes, mashed tomatoes.
Maybe we could ask Kim.
Okay.
You
All right.
ask her, mom.
Okay.
Yeah?
I have some of those.
Oh, sorry, Lilo. Ooh, my bad, Brody. You good?
No, it's good. It's good. Get what?
Get like regular taco stuff. We have tacos for you.
Mommy, we should get this. Look,
You like this kind?
You like the hard taco shell? Well, she was grabbing
hard
it.
shells. No, little. It's not. No, it's
Okay,
not.
so we're gonna get
I'm
these.
saying I want regular tacos.
So we're gonna get
the
these.
tortilla.
We have cheese at home. You're gonna get some
Get it again?
beans.
Huh?
Let me
No,
get it
I'll
again.
hold it, my love. This is about you guys today. It's family day, man.
Okay.
Stay tuned till the end. I don't know why I said that. It's weird.
But mommy might could use that. That sounds awesome. Come on, let's go to the side.
Beans.
You want beans in it, Angie?
Do you like black beans?
Or like the
Okay, can of black beans. I think we have.
let this young lady go by real fast.
We have these, I think. I don't know, actually, if they're black.
Probably red kidney beans. Those are the most popular.
No, she said they're black.
Oh,
Yeah, they're black.
Like this, just regular beans.
Yeah, they're black.
like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then,
They were delicious.
yes.
Yeah. All right.
And what else is in here?
There's like tomatoes, but not actually.
Salsa.
Kid is so
Evil
disrespectful.
kid. I'll take that. I want
So bad. Why? She loves you so much.
Rice, tomatoes, and green chilies. Is this one?
I'm hurt.
That's okay. That would be good. All right. So we have the ground beef at home.
Yep.
That it's already defrosted.
Yes, we do.
We have some salsa.
Okay.
We just need some sour cream.
There we go. All right.
lettuce.
Nice.
Wait, we don't have regular lettuce though, huh?
We don't need lettuce.
The tortillas are
Taco?
Nope. They don't. We have lettuce right there.
Tortillas are cooked.
There goes my good taco.
Oh, they're
Just this is why I'm just not happy
You
anymore.
could just, I guess, just pick off the carrots, bro. Is it because of just the carrots, or?
Now lettuce tastes different. It's not
No.
regular. It needs to be like the actual head of lettuce.
What you picking, young man? What's wrong? Something wrong with your eyes, or?
Wait. Oh, it's
100 grams. Oh my.
Those are good. That good, huh, my love?
Get one of those and one of those. So relax.
We can't buy some more
Babe.
lettuce.
Why do we need more lettuce? That's iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce?
Are you getting this, kid?
You guys have iceberg lettuce
Both
in
of
here?
them, yes. Okay, that's it for the snacks now. Or we can get this.
Don't buy me nothing.
There's 18.
Wait.
I really don't deserve
40.
Make it hard, Layla. really make it hard.
it. Nothing's holding me back.
Those are
What's
chicken claws.
Would you ever eat that?
No.
Touch it. No, no, touch it. You touch it. How did that feel?
That's disgusting.
Hopefully there's somebody here. Excuse me. Anybody back here? Hello? Hello?
Daddy, stop, stop.
This is how you get help, Auntie.
Daddy,
It's okay,
Daddy,
baby.
I'm
What-
just helping this lady.
What? Hello? Hello? Someone back here? Oh, oh,
Jeez, Daddy.
oh. Okay, that's why he's not back there. What's wrong, Angie?
Embarrassing. Oh, Daddy, the cleanser dirty. The lens.
That's okay. It looks pretty good. We'll clean it later. Oh, you found it. There you go. She likes this deal.
Hanging right there.
Boom.
Yeah, look. $4.
$9 a pound.
Okay, so then we will get them.
Hold on, we're working our way there, young child.
Need this.
Family Day has not started yet. Right now, we're just shopping.
I'm sorry.
Regular shopping.
I'm excited.
Good, and I want you to be excited.
Here.
Don't be sorry.
Put double bag it. Put this in there. Okay. Milk. That way. Go.
Okay, let's go.
And then looks the last
Lead the
thing.
way, my queen. And sour cream. Here, you go get the sour cream. Yep. I think it's straight ahead, right? Milk is right. No, no, he wasn't.
That's what
No, 89 cents? Yeah, it's a deal. I thought it said 99.
Right?
89?
What is it?
It's a steal.
Every day, all day. She, whatever.
I saw it. I saw that. I know you saw it too.
Yes, we did.
Oh, we did? Oh.
Okay, so wait, so Family Day is starting right now?
Now.
Okay.
Family Day dance.
Dancing, sir?
I already did my dancing.
Did you? Must be dancing inside. Inside he's doing. All right, so Angie, family day starts with you. You're the youngest. All right, we're following you. So